What's up, guys? Dog here. So just an update. I'm finally gonna put some new tires on this bike. So here are my old tires. The front is actually not bad, but I'm still gonna get a better one. There's the stock tire right there. There's still quite a bit of knob, but I want a better control. So I'm switching that one out for Pirelli MT21. And here is my rear tire. It's pretty gone, man. Pretty gone. Is that 2 millimeters? So yeah, I'm going to get some new tires put on. Here are the bad boys. Dunlop D606. Much better. And my Pirelli MT21. So, I'll give you another shout out once these are on the bike. Bye. What's up, guys? All right, so we're back, and I'm going to pick up my bike at the dealership. Now, they have not called me yet to tell me that it's ready. They were supposed to start working on it at 3. I dropped it off at 12. Hopefully it's ready because I need it for work tomorrow. Right now, it's my only mode of transportation. So, let's go to the dealership and see what's up with that, because they close in like 40 minutes. I gotta walk there, and they better have it ready today because I really need it. I don't want to miss a day of work because they couldn't keep their word, you know what I mean? So let's go see what the 300L looks like with the new tires on there. All right, see you in a bit. Well, guys, here we are at the trails. Haven't been in here since last year. It's the first time I'm back since all the snow's gone. And there they are, the tires, the D606 and the MT21. Not entirely happy about the price of getting these installed, $242. And I had the tires already when I walked in there, and the inner tube. So that is just the installation. Just the installation, $242. So I think it goes without saying the next time I'm putting these suckers on myself, because that's ridiculous. Anyways, let's go see if these tires work in these trails, because my last ones, well, I couldn't ride off-road anymore. There's a good test. Look at that water, look at that mud hole. I can't fucking get through this. Tires weren't worth it. Yeah, baby. Fuck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm gonna have so much more fun on these guys. I mean, it's still slippery, but I mean, look at the condition of this trail. Yeah! Woohoo! I would have for sure still been stuck in that first puddle with my old tires. There's no way I was making it out of there. Oh yeah. Looks like I got my first challenge when I want to come back, and it's nice. See if I can make it over this tree. I mean, I can make it over this small one, no problem. That I'm pretty sure of. But this one here, well, another day, man. Maybe when I got somebody with me. It is flooded. That's okay. There's no way I was doing this with my old tires either, man. I would have gone out sideways for sure. Jesus. Yeah. He flooded all right. All right. Well, yeah. That's getting pretty fucking deep. I think I'll turn this around. Oh, God, this is just so much better. A world of difference. I just tested the waterproofing on my boots again because, you know, I had to stand in that water back there and turn this around. Yeah, I felt some water coming in. But I mean, overall, I'd say that's pretty good. God, there's no fucking way I was getting through that before. Oh, what the fuck?
see my tracks quite well. It's something I didn't see as good before because obviously I wasn't tearing much up before. Tires just weren't digging in. Now these bad boys are digging in and they're leaving tracks like a proper dirt bike, man. That's what I'm talking about.